name is Pancella and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to attempt to prepare grilled cheese sandwich in my air fryer. I am using wheat bread, 2 slices of cheese, and I'm using cooking spray versus using butter. Butter gets, to me, is a little greasy, so I prefer not to have the grease and the calories. So cooking spray it is. I'm going to spray both ends of the bread one at a time as they cook. The air fryer is set to 350 for 5 minutes. Once that time has elapsed, I'm going to flip the sandwich over, spray, and again set the air fryer at 5 minutes for cooking. And once the grilled cheese is done, I am now cutting it in half so you can see the ooey gooeyness of it and without it being greasy at all. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a blessed day.